Hey guys, welcome here. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to upload high quality video on WhatsApp status. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to go to Play Store, and after that just simply search for Video Panda compressor. So just simply click here, and after that you have to install this application in your cell phone. Now after this just click on open, and now here when you open this, simply just wait for few seconds. So just simply here you can see the videos available that you want to compress, and after that you will be able to upload on WhatsApp status. So simply just select the random video here, like I have selected this video. Just after that click on next. Now here you have to select the size for WhatsApp status. After that, like here you can see the multiple resolutions available, so simply you have to select the resolution for WhatsApp status, and after that click on compress. Now when you compress the video, simply you have to go back to WhatsApp. Now you have to go to status, simply click here and upload the status. So in this way, after compressing the video, you will be able to send high quality video on status. So just you can use any compressor to compress the video, and after that select the WhatsApp status resolution and simply compress the video. So in this way, after compression, you will be able to upload high quality video on WhatsApp status.